Question 1. Which Indian city hosted the 6th National Crop Nutrition Summit in February 2026? Correct answer, Mumbai. Question 2. Prime Minister Narendra Modi became the first Indian leader to be conferred with the Speaker of the Knesset Medal by which country? Correct answer, Israel. Question 3. Which ministry launched the My Bharat Budget Quest 2026 to increase youth engagement with the union budget? Correct answer, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Question 4. The RDI Fund, Research, Development and Innovation, which offers low-interest financing for deep tech, has been launched under the framework of. Correct answer, Anusandhan National Research Foundation, ANRF. Question 5. Which state government's proposal to officially rename the state as Keralam was approved in February 2026? Correct answer, Kerala. Question 6. India's first LNG diesel dual-fuel DEMU train was operationalized in which city? Correct answer, Ahmedabad. Question 7. Which country hosted the 6th Badminton Asia Team Championships 2026? Correct answer, China. Question 8. In February 2026, which team reached the Ranji Trophy final for the first time in 66 years? Correct answer, Jammu and Kashmir. Question 9. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 was held at which venue? Correct answer, Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Question 10. Which Indian state recorded a 21% rise in bird population at the Nalsarovar Bird Sanctuary in 2026? Correct answer, Gujarat. Question 11. Who was appointed as the Director General of Naval Armament, DGONA, in February 2026? Correct answer, Divakar Jayant. Question 12. Which Indian Navy ship was commissioned in February 2026 as the second of the 4 survey vessels large? Correct answer, INS Anjadeep. Question 13. Which country launched Operation Ghazab-e-Haq against targets in Afghanistan in February 2026? Correct answer, B. Pakistan. Question 4. Then, the Women Peace and Security Index 2025/26 ranked which country at the top? Correct answer, B. Denmark. Question 15. Which city was awarded the Best Airport of the Year at the Wings India 2026 Awards? Correct answer, C. Delhi. Question 16. India assumed the command of which Combined Task Force, CTF, under the Combined Maritime Forces in February 2026? Correct answer, C. CTF 154. Question 17. The Gelefu Mindfulness City, GMC, which recently approved its first regulated digital asset service, is located in? Correct answer, B. Bhutan. Question 18. Who becomes the first ever female member of the International Olympic Committee, IOC, from Iran? Correct answer, A. Aghai Haji Agha. Question 19. Which state launched India's first musical road on its coastal road in February 2026? Correct answer B. Maharashtra. Question 20. What is the theme for World Wetlands Day 2026? Correct answer B. Wetlands and Traditional Knowledge, Celebrating Cultural Heritage. Question 21. In February 2026, which cricket player became the fastest batter to reach 10,000 runs in the Ranji Trophy? Correct answer B. Paras Dogra. Question 22. Which country will host the G7 summit in 2026? Correct answer B. France. Question 23. The Chakra Center of Excellence for Financing Sunrise Sectors was launched by which bank? Correct answer B. State Bank of India SBI. Question 24. Which Indian state inaugurated the International Saraswati Mahotsav in February 2026? Correct answer B. Haryana. Question 25. Which international organization's 56वें annual meeting was held in Davos in February 2026? Correct answer B. World Economic Forum WEF. Question 26. India's first fully solar-powered ATM van was launched in which state? Correct answer B. Tripura. Question 27. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of FICCI Frames 2026? Correct answer A. Ayushmann Khurrana. Question 28. The 2026 Winter Olympics, 25th Olympic Winter Games were concluded in which country? Correct answer B. Italy, Milano Cortina. Question 29. Which Indian PSU was named the best contributor to Atmanirbhar Bharat at Wings India 2026? Correct answer B. HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Question 30. On which day is World Radio Day celebrated annually? Correct answer B. February 13.